Here we are.
Welcome to the most beautiful beach in Phuket. According to Zav's Announced Travels. Bloody hell, some of these waves are a bit choppy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're currently at Tom Beach, just about to go get some breakfast at Hans. And then we're going to the most beautiful beach in Phuket, which is Freedom Beach. We don't know if it's the most beautiful beach in Thailand, in Phuket, but when we
went there the first time though, it was stunning, wasn't it?
So we've claimed it.
It was back in December, so the weather was a lot better. I think the water's not going to be as clear this time round because it is monsoon season, but we'll see.
Stopped off for a little bit of brekkie.
Yeah, we're at Coffee and Bistro.
We've been here before.
Yeah, you're getting the same as you got last time.
Eggs Benedict.
You get one bacon.
Classic.
One bacon, one salmon.
Yes. And what did you get?
I got a chicken Caesar wrap.
With a couple of coffees.
Pretty cool in here, isn't it? You can...
Sorry. Thank you.
That was quick, wasn't it?
That was quick. She's arrived. Eggs Benedict, one with bacon, one with salmon, and Sabrina's got a lovely.
Caesar wrap.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Good size as well. Not too hench. They cut it at an angle.
Whoa. Oh, that looks nice. Well done. Oh, that's
so
juicy.
good, isn't it?
Yeah. Yummy? Wow.
That is so tasty. Got bacon in it as well.
Reminds me of the ones at WH Smith's. Good choice. Eggs Benedict's lovely as well. Yummy, wasn't it?
Really, really tasty. I'd get that again.
Definitely come here if you ever come into Phuket. It's good. Right by the beach as well.
Yeah, beautiful view.
A little bit
Quite a lot of
pricey.
seating area as well.
A little bit pricey in some places, but really, really good. Now where to go?
Going to Freedom Beach.
The most beautiful beach in Phuket.
And it's been over 2 years since we've been there, right?
Yeah.
Desserts look scrummy, don't they?
Pretty cool.
Also, guys, if you pay by MasterCard, you get 15% off,
I
don't
know.
you?
Incredible.
Perfect. We just found, we thought it was just credit card, but it's debit card as
Didn't
well.
get it the first time, bloody went there though, did we?
No, we didn't, unfortunately. That was Bangla Walking Street by day.
Completely different from the night.
Yeah, it's night and day difference for sure.
I don't think this bike's made for this.
Oh god, it's a little bit off-road now, guys.
We're on it.
We are here, we are parked. We're not at the beach just yet, but this looks completely different to when we were here last time.
I think they've built a bunch of resorts close, like down there somewhere, so
Yeah.
they've obviously made it a proper road now.
This all looks very new, you know? Crazy.
Yeah, unrecognisable it feels
No,
like.
last time we were here, we definitely didn't take this route and we had to park quite a bit further away, and we stopped off and there was a lady doing fruit shakes. Alright, no problem.
15 minutes for come back.
Oh, okay.
Kapong ka.
Kapong ka. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh my god, there's piggies.
Oh.
Chilling. Oh, there's 4 of them. Oh, hello, babe. The lovely lady said it's about 8 minutes walk down and about 15 minutes on the way back because it's quite steep. It's so crazy how a place can change within a couple of years, you know? It doesn't look familiar. If you watch back to it was our first video actually, yeah, first YouTube video. We came to Freedom Beach and it's completely different the way we got there. We were actually wearing the same tops we wore in that video. Little throwback. Word of warning, guys, it is a little bit sketchy. Beware of wearing flip-flops. We are almost there. Oh my god. Here we are.
Welcome to the most beautiful beach in Phuket.
In Phuket.
According to Zav's Announced Travels.
According to us, yeah. That's just the way we came before. This time we've actually got an umbrella and something to lay on, which is good.
Wow.
Should we go here?
Made it, we set up camp.
I know, perfect.
Beautiful view. You can also get food at this beach. They've also opened up a new burger / cafe restaurant there. So refreshing after a long little trek. Absolutely beautiful.
It's so nice. Last time there were loads of little fishies under the water, weren't there?
There was. Wow.
That was a bit aggressive.
Nice.
Oh, that's lovely.
Absolutely divine. Bloody hell, some of these waves are a bit choppy.
I know.
What do you think of the beach then?
So nice. It's kind of nice that it's not really sunny today because it's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah. What do you think of the swim?
Oh, it's so nice.
We've actually
So,
been in
so
there for
nice.
probably about, what, an hour and a
Literally the
half?
whole time we've been here.
Yeah.
It's like the first time we've sat down
Yeah.
in like over an hour. It's so, like the waves are perfect, you know, they're not too aggressive. It's really
No, they're fun. Yeah.
I saw a fish jump out the water on my way out.
Nice.
Getting pretty busy down here, isn't it?
Yes, sun's pop off.
Hello.
Hello. Buddy cab.
Oh, she's just given birth.
I know, I think she has. So guys, this is done at the beach. We had a blast.
Yeah, we're all wrapped up. We did the hike back up, didn't we?
And it was awful.
Oh, it's so.
Definitely
I'm
bring a
so
few spare.
sweaty.
Bring a couple of changes of clothes when you come in here.
I need a shower.
Yeah, shower. And if you like this one, please like, comment and subscribe. We love the feedback and it really, really helps with the analytics of YouTube.
Exactly. Stay tuned.